Now we are going to know about the parts of Datura flower and their functions. Observe it carefully. The flower has small stalk at its base and it is called as pedicel. Here, the swollen part above pedicel is called thalamus. This thalamus contains different parts arranged in 4 rings, one within the other. Let us examine these parts. Here the green leaf-like structure called sepals in the form of tube above the pedicel is called calyx. It is the outermost ring. Calyx protects the internal parts of the flower. Here the ring lying inner to the calyx is called corolla. Do you see the white delicate structures?
Yeah, I see.
These delicate structures are called petals. The petals are united to form a tube like this. Now we go deep into corolla. These long thin structures are called stamens. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 in number. Observe carefully. These stamens are attached with petals up to here. These stamens collectively known as Androecium. These are the male reproductive parts of flower. The single stamen has a stalk. This is called filament, and the expanded part on the top of the filament is called anther. When these anthers ripe, they produce fine dust particles called pollen grains. These pollen grains are male gametes. They help in fertilization. The last part present at the bottom of flower is called pistil or gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of a flower. Let us separate this from the flower and place it on piece of paper for clear observation. See, the base is swollen and is known as ovary. This thin long tube-like structure starting from ovary is called style. The tip of the style is called stigma. The ovary contains ovules.
Bob, what is the use of Androecium and gynoecium?
They play an important role in sexual reproduction. Hence, they are called essential parts of flower.
Thank you very much, Bob. It's really interesting.